Hi guys, in this video I am going to show you how to block blast glitch. So let's get started. One infinite move glitch. Some users report that when you quickly tap multiples block in succession, the game does not register all the moves, allowing you to get extra moves without using any steps. Here is how you do it. Select your moves, but instead of tapping one block at a time, tap multiple blocks quickly in a sequence. The game might not count some of your taps, giving you more moves than displayed. Note, this glitch is inconsistent and might be patched in future update. To undo move tricks after making a mistake, you can exploit the undo system by closing and reopening the app before the game. Autosave your move, make a wrong move or one you don't want. Immediately close the app before the move is registered. Then reopen the app and you may find your last move undone. These glitches may not work on all devices or on game versions, and the developer could fix them in future updates. These are only working at a time of recording, so this is how to do block blast glitch.